Hey there, Christmas is just around the corner, and what's better than singing along to a brand new Christmas song? But wait, what if I told you that you could create your very own magical Christmas song in just minutes? That's right, today I'll show you how to make a unique Christmas tune with the help of two amazing free AI tools, Boomy for creating music and ChatGPT for writing the lyrics. And guess what? You don't need to be a musician or a songwriter to do this. It's super simple and so much fun. So let's grab some hot cocoa and get started. Step 1. Start with the lyrics, the ChatGPT. The heart of any song is the lyrics, right? So let's start by writing our Christmas story with ChatGPT. Open up the tool and type something like this. Hey ChatGPT, write a cheerful Christmas song about a magical night when Santa visits and the kids are playing in the snow. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you beautifully written lyrics. You can tweak them however you like. Maybe add a part about reindeer dancing, elves baking cookies, or a funny line about a snowman who comes to life. If you want something unique, just keep chatting with the AI. It's like brainstorming with a really creative friend. Step 3. Make the music the Boomy. Now that we have our lyrics, it's time to create the music. Head over to boomy.com and sign up for a free account. Here's what you'll do. Number 1. Click on Create a Song and choose the holiday genre. Number 2. Boomy will give you a bunch of festive templates. Select one that matches the vibe you're going for. Maybe something cozy and slow or upbeat and cheerful. Number 3. Hit the Create button and watch as Boomy generates your Christmas tune in seconds. You can listen to the track, and if you feel like it needs more sparkle, like louder jingle bells or a softer melody, you can adjust the settings. It's that easy. Step 4. Combine the lyrics and music. Here's where the magic happens. Take the lyrics you got from ChatGPT and match them with your Boomy music. If you want to sing the lyrics yourself, you can use a free app like Audacity to record your voice while the music plays in the background. Not confident in your singing voice? Don't worry. There are AI tools like Voice Mode that can enhance your vocals or make them sound like a professional choir. Or you can just keep it as an instrumental and let the music speak for itself. Either way, your song will sound amazing. Step 5. Add some festive visuals. To make your Christmas song even more magical, create a video to go with it. Use a free app like CapCut to add snowy animations, Christmas lights, or even cute clips of Santa and his reindeer. If you've got photos of your family decorating the tree or kids playing in the snow, those will make your video even more special. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Add a catchy title like My Magical Christmas Song 2024 and share it with your friends and family. Who knows, your song might go viral and become a holiday favorite. So there you have it, a magical Christmas song created by you with the help of AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun AI tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of Christmas song you created. I can't wait to hear it. Until next time, have a magical holiday season and keep creating. Bye.